If your Chrome tab's font size is too small, then we know how to fix it. Watch till the end to learn how to solve this problem. This is Silicophilic, where we help you solve tech issues. Small font size in Chrome's tab is a frustrating issue that many users face. Here we have shown how you can solve it, so stick to the end and perform as shown. Before we get into the solution, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve this issue. Don't forget to comment your feedback on the solutions or if you're facing any issue while performing them. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Now, let's start with the solutions. The first thing you can do is change the font size on your Windows 10. Type Make Text Size Bigger in the Windows search bar and select the top option. In the Make Text Bigger section, drag the slider to the right depending on how much you want to increase the font size. Click on Apply to save the changes. Method 2. Another thing you can try is changing the scaling of your Windows display. Right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. Click on Advanced Scaling Settings. Enter any number between 100 to 500 depending on the font size in the Custom Scaling section and click on Apply. Sign out and re-sign in to enable the new scaling settings. Method 3. The next thing you can try is changing the font size in Chrome. Here is how you can do it. Open Google Chrome and click on the menu button. Select Settings and scroll down to the Appearance section. Click on the drop-down bar beside the font size option and select the suitable font size. So that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. If the issue isn't resolved from the solutions we have shown here, comment below to let us know and our team will try their best to help you out. Also join our Facebook group for direct tech support. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.